Latina.
Yeah, so far. Also the friends of Honorable Staff, they're here. Good evening. Hope you enjoy and have fun tonight. Alright. So yes, Rex. So, ayan, feeling ko nagtitikad ka mo pa kita. Tama ba? Officer and kapatihan mga department heads na yan ang agad. So sir, how are you doing tonight?
Okay lang.
Nag-enjoy ka sir, hindi mo ginaabangan tonight.
City.
Yes, meron ka ba sir favorite song na City Navarro? Ayan, para sa akin siya sir, we will request that from City. So
Sige,
there you go. Thank you so
okay.
much Sir Proxy.
Dito naman ako sa mga kasama ng
Go.
ating taga-DOST, no? Ayan.
Favorite mo na, favorite.
Sige. Hello po. Ano pong ating name, ma'am?
I'm Ellen Joyce.
LA Joy. So far po, ano pong ating na-enjoy dito sa City of Catbalogan? Tsaka, ano po yung mga na-experience natin during RC 2025?
Dumating kami kahapon and then we experienced the food, of course, and the people. Yes, sustainable is and then, of course, the activities kanina sa RC.
Can you name one activity na ginawa under the RC 2025?
Of course, the welcome program kanina.
Ready na ba kayo kung sino ang pumunta? Ninyo dito!
To get all our phones.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtanda ko sa amin ninyo dito po sa inyo. Sa pagpapalaran sa pagpapalaran para po ay maawit sa inyo. saya. Thank you to Mayor Dexter Uy. To the members of the City Council. And to the people of Catbalogan City! Yes. Yan po ang next. Happy 18th Charter Anniversary, Catbalogan City. Maraming salamat po muli sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa inyong napakaganda.
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe.
Mac Jude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and Macchog TV. Thank you.